Input devices 2. Optical mark readers OMR. It reads pencil or pen marks made in predefined positions on paper, forms as responses to questions or tick list prompts. Advantages of OMR is it helps in fast scanning with less chance of error, cost-effective, easy to implement. Disadvantage of OMR is possibility of missing data while scanning process. Incorrectly read marks or unnumbered pages can get scanned in wrong order. Optical character readers OCR. It is the recognition of printed or written text characters by a computer. Advantage is printed text can be scanned by using OCR for editing, copy or paste from document, etc. Disadvantage is if original document has diagrams or charts or difficult handwriting, poor quality, then more mistakes can occur. Magnetic Ink Character Reader MICR. It is the device which can read human-readable characters that are printed using a special magnetic ink. MICR is mostly used in banks. Barcode Reader. It is an electronic device for reading printed barcodes. It consists of light source, a lens, and a light sensor translating optical impulses into electrical ones. There are 5 basic kinds of barcode readers: pen wands, slot scanners, charge couple devices CCD, scanners, image scanners and laser scanners. Voice input, a device in which speech is used to input data or system commands using microphone directly into a system. Advantage of voice input device is for people who are not able to use keyboard or mouse. Disadvantage of voice input device is it needs to be taught to recognize same voice of user, so it is not considered adequate.